Welcome back, viewers. So, what I was continuing that if you have received 90 days visit visa or any family visa and it has expired, you cannot you cannot travel to the UK due to travel restriction or for any other reason. The Home Office update their immigration rules that you can apply. You can fill up a form online and submit it and pay £154, and they will issue a replacement visa. Now the issue is many people is confused that if their visa expire they cannot travel to the UK. This is due to the visa expire, and they need to make another application with all the supporting document and need to pay the Home Office fee again. This is not the case. The Home Office made a fair and very reasonable introduce an immigration policy that is, if your visa expire, you cannot travel to the UK due to the COVID, due to restriction, or any other reason. You can fill up an online form and then submit it, pay £154, and then they will issue a replacement visa. So it is very important. Many people stuck in outside the UK, they cannot travel to the UK due to this restriction, or some people cannot afford the hotel bill, quarantine, the expense. So this is an I think a very important for you, so you can stay. Don't worry, once everything get normal, you can make an application to the Home Office. Just fill up it. This is a simple form, just fill up it, send it, and then the Home Office will issue a replacement visa. The next important update is for those people who who went to holiday or they travel to another country. They had valid leave to remain. However, they cannot travel back to the UK due to COVID or due to some other reason, and their visa has expired. For those people who are stuck outside the UK in such situation, now the Home Office issued the policy that you can request to the Home Office to issue a new visa, which will be basically for a temporary leave to enter, and then you come to the UK and make your application within a reasonable time. The third one, what I want to say about indefinite leave to remain, because as you know, if you stay outside the UK for more than 2 years, your indefinite leave to remain lapse. Then you need to make an application for returning a right of residence visa. So now Home Office update that this is the good news for you, that if you stay outside the UK more than 2 years, you can apply for returning right of returning residence visa, but they will refund the fee what you normally pay for the visa fee. And of course they will issue visa because this is a very reasonable situation and exceptional circumstance. They will issue indefinite leave to remain returning visa, and then you can continue to live in the UK after you get indefinite leave to remain. Another important update for students, international students, or innovator visa applicant, or a startup visa applicant, or global talent visa. Many people get invitation from the UK, either from a university or endorsement body or any other government body to make an application. And the offer letter, normally there is a validity date, which is normally 33 months. However, they cannot submit their application. Before they submit their application, the offer letter has expired. Now, the Home Office said that yes, we do understand the exceptional circumstance, but what the concession they're giving is that you still can make application to the Home Office with expire offer letter or invitation letter, and the expire or invalid offer letter Home Office will consider as a valid, and they will consider it's not expired. So if you receive any offer letter from university, or if you receive any endorsement letter from any endorsement body for startup or innovator visa, then you can still submit your application to the Home Office, to the relevant embassy or BFS or TLS contact center, with the expired invitation or endorsement letter, and the Home Office will issue appropriate visa if you satisfy other requirement. So this is a short update for those people who is affected by the immigration, by the coronavirus restriction. As I explained in my last video, that if you about the financial requirement, also some exemption available, English language, also some exemption available. So if you need any help, if you need any immigration help, if you somehow became a victim due to the coronavirus, you will be compensated by the Home Office. The way that is, they are giving exemption. They're giving exemption for financial requirement. They're giving exemption for some circumstance in English language requirement. Also, they're issuing visa free of charge. So what you need to do, you need to contact with the coronavirus helpline. There is a phone number available. There is email available as well. You can send an email to the Home Office. Now, many people stuck inside the UK, they came to the UK for a short period, for example, for visit visa. However, their visit visa expire, and then they cannot travel back to their home country. For them, the Home Office said, as you know, before was it automatic visa extension. So Home Office, if you just send an email to the Home Office, if you just fill up a form online, then within 5 working days you used to receive an email which is the automatic extension of your visa. But now Home Office introduced assurance visa, which is exceptional assurance visa. So if your visa expire and if you cannot travel to the UK, you can send an email to the Home Office, and Home Office issue an exceptional assurance extension, and then you will be able to stay some more days. Now, those people whose visa expire, now you can make an application. Also, if you want to continue to live in the UK, for example, if you choose any other route like private and family life, you can make an application within a reasonable time. Now, many people cannot make the application due to the coronavirus, some other reason. Now, Home Office said if there is a continuous residence breakup, the Home Office will consider as a not any break continuous if it is reasonable, but you need to provide whatever you claim, whether any exemption or whether you break your continuous residence due to the COVID, you need to provide evidence to the Home Office. So if you are in that situation, it may be an issue will come after 10 years when you apply for ILR. Home Office could say that Home Office may say that yes, your continuous residence was not continue for 10 years, therefore they will refuse the ILR. So what you need to do, you need to keep evidence, and wisely I will advise you also print all these policy guidelines from the Home Office website and keep in your record, so that you can use it after 10 years when the Home Office may bring this issue that will tell you that your continuous residence breakup on 2020 or 2021. So you can use this evidence and you can use this policy guidelines as well to rely on. So this is a short video. Everyone, enjoy your weekend. If you have any question, or you can send me an email, or you can contact with my office at AS Action Solicitors. Take care, everyone.